Hey guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. We're gonna introduce you guys to Carefree, Arizona, and possibly Cave Creek today too. But be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for half. Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
Okay, you guys, behind us you can see the largest sundial
North America.
in North America.
And it is the third largest in the world.
Yeah, this is basically downtown Carefree. This is they did this in 1959. It is 67 feet long and 35 feet high at the tip up there. And
It's hard to see the numbers. Here's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
yeah, 2 o'clock's over there where those people are standing, so you can see it's accurate. What is it? 27 minutes.
It's 27 minutes off.
27 minutes off. Why is that? It stretches 62 feet. Solar time is 27.7 minutes behind Mountain Standard Time, and the hour markers are adjusted to compensate. Okay. All right. Yeah, like right here would be 7 p.m. And yeah, well then I guess it's dark. So let's see what else is in this plaza, I guess.
Carefree is a great little town. I mean, it's one of our favorites. Carefree and Cave Creek to come visit and walk through. You know, if you need a vacation spot, it's a great place to vacation. There's not a lot to do here in Carefree, but we're close to Scottsdale. A lot of hiking trails around here, horseback riding, bike riding.
It's about 10-12 miles north of Phoenix, suburb. This is it. Got a splash pad over there for the kiddies or whoever wants to splash. Oh, I'm getting splashed. Wind blew. The wind blew it right into me. Oh yeah, this is a Carefree Desert Gardens.
It's a great shops all the way around.
Yeah.
Restaurants.
Yeah. This is a really high-end part of the valley, along with Scottsdale and Paradise Valley. But Carefree was founded by Tom Darlington and K.T. Palmer. They came up with the idea up here in 1946 when they met, and they bought 650 acres right here next to Black Mountain.
But Cave Creek does back up right next to Carefree, so Cave Creek and Carefree are together. Actually, they even share some things like Chamber of Commerce. you know, they share certain things that they both have, and they're both very different as far as one town was created even before Arizona was a state, Cave Creek, which was named for the creek, and then the other one, Carefree, was after Arizona became a state in 1950s. So two towns next to each other, but two very different towns.
Yeah, Carefree is kind of a fine dining type of town. They're both artsy. They both have their different art. But Cave Creek, we'll show you, is a more rustic Western cowboy biker, but still high end. A lot of money in Cave Creek too. So, okay, let's find something else here to show you. I got all the quirky shops and a little pavilion here.
Beautiful area.
Oh wow, look at that. That's not a barrel cactus. That's a baby saguaro, isn't it?
No, it's not sorrel either. Sorrel doesn't have that kind of flower.
It's a gorgeous day. It's always about 4 or 5 degrees cooler, Carefree Cave Creek, than the middle of Phoenix. A little higher elevation, and of course not as much cement to hold the heat. Yeah, it was great.
Let's see, Carefree only has about 3,000 people in it, they said, and Cave Creek has about 5,000, so both relatively small.
Yeah, for those of you that don't know, I'm a realtor in Arizona, and up here is where I've had my office, and until we went to adventuring, so I loved working up here.
Yeah, you come up here because of the views. It is beautiful.
Had to show you guys this tree. This is called a quiver tree. Q-U-I-V-E-R, quiver. And I hit.
See a bird up in there. It's nest.
Another one over there.
No, is it right? See up in that hole? Bird up.
Yep.
Sticking out of its
Oh yeah.
nest.
Yep. I'm sure you guys can't see that, but there's a bird in there looking at us. A colorful bird too. Yellow. Anyway, that's some unique desert plant life. But we're gonna drive you through one of the neighborhoods here too, just to see how beautiful it is here.
Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
Okay, you guys, this is Cave Creek. We are overlooking Cave Creek right now. Horse properties out here. Beautiful, multi-million-dollar homes out here too. But okay, you want to tell them about it?
Oh, a little bit here. So we're officially in Cave Creek, right next to Carefree, and has a population of about 5,000. But Cave Creek was founded in 1870. It was a men on horseback from the McDowell fort riding through, and that's when they found it. And then in about 1873, some miners found gold here in the city. So it really did a lot of growth in the 1870s. It was named after the creek that it was founded on. There was a cave that was next to the creek that it was founded, so that's how they came up with Cave Creek. And it's definitely more of a western kind of a town. It has lots of art in it still, but some good restaurants. But it's a little rougher. It has more of the western flair to it.
Yeah. See this mountain here, right above the saguaro? That's called Elephant Butte, because it kind of looks like an elephant laying down, doesn't it? So anyway, okay, we'll just show you a little drive through here. Okay, here's the Harold's restaurant, bar and grill, iconic Steeler bar. I think Buffalo Chip is right there. This is the Roadhouse.
It is packed with motorcycles on the weekend. And then right back here is the Horny Toad, which is another iconic place. It's quite busy.
Plenty of bars and grills and restaurants. If you can't find a beer in Cave Creek, then well, we could find one. Frontier town here. But anyway, that's probably going to wrap for today. So we showed you some Carefree and Cave Creek. So we love you guys. Please hit that notification bell and like this video, share it with a like-minded person. Now we're going to go find one of those beers. See you in the next one.
See you in the next adventure.
I don't know if you guys know, but Arizona has a monsoon season, but that isn't supposed to start until like June 15th to September 15th or August 15th, but 3 months basically. But it's acting like monsoon season already. We're in the middle of May. Been getting some sprinkles, some showers. That's okay. You know what? That'll keep the heat down. Okay, let's go find something to do.